In this video, I will show you how to make a T chart on Google Docs. You may have difficulty in drawing this T, but don't worry, I will show you how to do that. Let's get started. First, go up to the insert option and under the table, select 2 by 2 table. Select the table and you will see this small downward triangle. Click on it and select the outer border. Now go up to the border color option and select the border white. Now again select the table. This time select the inner border and change the thickness to 3 points. Now you can write title inside the first cell and inside the second cell. And now you can easily type under the titles one by one whatever you want, like this. If this video solves your problem, comment below and let me know. And check out these useful videos shown on screen to know more about Google Docs. See you again in the next video.